Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, the worst Christmas for Juju Ekwensu. Juju Ekwensu is in critical condition. Oh. They say her BP don't high. Juju Ekwensu BP is high. Hey, depression, high BP, they worry Juju Ekwensu. All because of unexpected Christmas gift when you let Doshi gift her. Wonder shall never end. Juju Ekwensu is going through a lot too. Some people say Juju Ekwensu no dey work. Do you think to be a husband snatcher is a day job? You need to dey update her. You need to be present. You need to be accepting things where other normal people no dey accept. For you to hold the position of a husband snatcher. Hey! The worst Christmas that you can ever imagine. Now Juju Ekwensu celebrate. Now don't say she get one friend for Nollywood industry when they give her information. After Lizzie Go talk say, then they movie location today. Say they want Jesus Christ film. Now Juju Ekwensu call her friend. Say make this her friend go that place. Make he go check whether they read the art movie. Hey! Juju Ekwensu friend Juliet went to that place. On getting there was nobody there. The person wey Lizzie Go tell una say he get movie, the person dey house with the children, they celebrate Christmas. Because it's very strange. It has never happened in the industry that they are filming on the 25th. Everywhere they shut down. It was very strange. I never hear her for history before. When Juju Ekwensu friend got there, she did not see anybody. She can't use style call the person where they get film. The person say no, say after Christmas, before they go resume e work. That means Yul Edochie was not there, Lizzie Gold was not there, nobody was there. So you won't tell me say na for Bethlehem, now Lizzie Gold and Yul Edochie go out their Jesus Christ film. I've been at Galilee. I've been at inside the wilderness. Now they go out Jesus Christ film. Because they were not where they said they were. And there was no movie going on today. So, after Juliet find out that nothing was happening, she decided to go deep into this to look for where Yul Edochie was. Because Yul Edochie is not in Abuja. Yul Edochie is not in movie location. Where is Yul Edochie now? Now Juliet can't get information. Person can't tell and say, Yul Edochie as they talk so a day Papa house for Enugu, they celebrate Christmas. Husband snatchers. Yul Edochie was in his father's house celebrating Christmas. The man not go Abuja or make he go eat oil rice. Oil rice and crayfish. And dust of crayfish. Crayfish get crayfish. You know say get those one will be dust. Then they sell her now for market to those dusty one. You go grinder. May Yul Edochie go eat oil rice and dusty crayfish rice. Yul Edochie rarara carry himself go in Papa house. So, according to Juju Ekwensu's best friend Juliet, he said they say Yul Edochie dey Papa house. Yul Edochie celebrated the Christmas with his parents. Went to eat correct fried rice. Correct stew where oil dey on top, it go dey shine. You know those oils, those stew where oil go dey the top, it go dey shine. And Peter Edochie, every Christmas, the man no dey kill fowl. If Peter Edochie no kill goat, you kill cow. If you don't know, be knowing now. Peter Edochie don't celebrate Christmas with chicken. Chicken na for another day. Christmas and New Year, Peter Edochie dey kill. Peter Edochie dey buy cow or he dey buy goats. Now he dey use till they do Christmas and New Year. So when the father have goat meat and cow meat in the fridge, Yul Edochie should go and be eating oil rice, abi? Shey una wan wine me near? Yul Edochie was in his father's house, went to go and eat better chicken, went to go and eat better goat meat, isiegu, pepper soup, instead of him to go to Abuja to go and be eating oil rice. Now they go tell Juliet say, Yul Edochie dey in Papa house. they celebrate with his parents. Now Juliet got Juju Ekwensu say, Yul Edochie is in his father's house celebrating Christmas. They say those people where they play those Igbo traditional drum, that what they call the Ogene people. They came to Peter Edochie house for free to come and play for him. They even saw Yul Edochie dancing to it. Wonder, 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 wonder. They even saw Yul Edochie dancing to it after I don't eat Isiewu correct pepper soup head. After I don't eat correct Isiewu pepper soup, eat correct rice, correct fried rice with better goat meat. Yul Edochie is flexing, enjoying his life in his father's house. Why Juju Ekwensu bend neck for corner? They wait for Yul Edochie. Aye, my people, things are happening. Now Juliet can't tell Juju Ekwensu, say, Juju Ekwensu, celebrate your Christmas soon. Yul Edochie is not a good person at all. You see, this Yul Edochie is not a good person. You see all those things where they do your wife. That thing, now go still do you. Do you know that Yul Edochie went to celebrate Christmas with his father? Do you know that Yul Edochie is in his father's house celebrating Christmas, even dancing, without thinking about you or even think about the children? Now I call the tell Juju Ekwensu, say, Juju Ekwensu celebrate. Oh. Just carry your children, come outside, make una go flex. Now Juju Ekwensu say, flex go where? Where are they going? He won't come carry children, they jump from bike to bike. Car, he get car. She don't have car now. I bet Juliet not remember. Now Juliet say, just take them, take his stroll around the estate. Before una waka, the children go still tired, everybody go tired, una go enter house. Juju Ekwensu say, how? That she did not buy Christmas clothes. She was waiting for Yul Edochie to come, then they go and buy Christmas clothes. So that they will go together as a family. Say no, say Yul Edochie go disappoint her. Say no buy Christmas clothes. He no buy anything. They have nothing. They were waiting for Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie keep promising on the 23, on the 23. On the 23, and I say on the 24, on the 24th, Lizzie Good night on the tell her, say, Yul Edochie, me and Yul Edochie is in movie location. Now Lizzie Good night on the poster. She told Juju Ekwensu that Juju Ekwensu should open her eyes. Oh. Juju Ekwensu, open your eyes. They said Juliet, Juju Ekwensu friend, told Juju Ekwensu, say, Juju Ekwensu, open your eyes. You see that Lizzie Good? She's a snake. She's a snake. She don't like you. She's not in support of you. She like Yul Edochie. It's two different things. Every smile from her face is fake. Every support from her is fake. She don't like you. When you gave birth, she sent you 100,000. But when she saw Yul Edochie, she gave Yul Edochie 500,000. She just give you that money because that one will come out on social media. She's fake. To you. They say Juliet tell Juju Ekwensu, say, Lizzie Gold don't like you. The earlier you know, the better. If she have to be in movie location where no exist, she not go celebrate with her family. Why not talk about herself? Why did she add Yul Edochie to it? If she's not up to something. And the Yul Edochie way had to it now. She did with her family. Yul Edochie is with his parents. Celebrate Yul Edochie went to eat in his parents' house. Maybe he don't want to carry Lizzie go there. Maybe Naya and Lizzie go there together. When he won't go eat fried rice, goat meat for a papa house now, he will tell Lizzie go, say, make you quick go come. Who knows? Because they say, na papa house, now I go eat cow, now I go eat isiewu with fried rice. No be smart, you know. Juju Ekwensu come begin the open give Juliet what is happening in their house. Say everything is down. Say she don't enter to the post. She don't become content creator. Say Yul Edochie she not dey give them anything at all. Now she can shame, no go even let her come outside, come tell the world, say Yul Edochie she abandon her children. She say, how will she say it? When May Edochie own happened, she was the first person that came out to say Yul Edochie is a good father. Yul Edochie is spending for his children. How is she going to revise? How is she going to come out to revise that word? How is she going to tell people that no, Yul Edochie is a deadbeat father? How is she going to say it? But Juju Ekwensu tell a friend, say Yul Edochie na deadbeat father. He said the man not being at all. He said not being. He said Yul Edochie na that kind of man. When he go deceive you, if you enter, he will leave everything for you. Juju Ekwensu told her friend, he said everything for us now she dey carry her now. Everything. Say Yul Edochie not dey set 10 kobo. Torah. Say Yul Edochie not dey set 10 kobo Torah. Now Juliet go tell Juju Ekwensu say, in the year for the industry, when Yul Edochie dey tell people they go say, he wasted years, he won't recover her. So when they were saying it, she said she thought Yul Edochie was talking about May Edochie. But as it is now, be like saying that Juju Ekwensu, now Yul Edochie they talk. Because Yul Edochie said, the time when he the shouting similar job for social media, he made use of the person. The ones who build us, the ones who buy car, the ones who travel out of the country, the ones that opened business, all his colleagues, they all built it, they all have a new house, a new mansion. He's the only one that is still living in rent. Of all the old school with him, only one day rent now. He said the old car we May Edochie give him, now he still they carry the go. My people, before I continue, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe in thumbs up for my video. God bless you. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty name will bless you all in Jesus' name. Inshallah. Amen. So, according to Juju Ekwensu best friend, Juju Ekwensu best friend say Yul Edochie say he won't recover all the years, all the wasted years. Come car, he no fit buy. Car, he no fit change. Land, he no buy. All these years, if you ask him, say Yul Edochie, what is your investment? He has nothing. Nothing. He was believing that they will give him a Jamashon, which he believed that he no will ever reach in hand. He was believing that, okay, he has a house in his village, which May Edochie have totally seized from him. So what does he have? He wants to face his life. He wants to do something for himself. If not, where he go end up? Where he won't end up? The day we know if he parent for Abuja, they pursue and come outside, he has nowhere to go. After how many years? Yul Edochie say he won't concentrate on his life. So Juliet said that is what Yul Edochie has been saying, but he never thought it was because of Juju Ekwensu. He thought maybe he's wasted years with May Edochie. He said, now he don't get the point. Now Juliet tell Juju Ekwensu, say, Juju Ekwensu, you go stand on your feet. Oh. You go try stand on your feet. They say, now dear Juju Ekwensu come burst into tears, they cry. Say her condition, she no fit explain, give people. She no fit come outside, come tell people what she they go through. She's going through a lot. She said their BP high. She said she depressed. She's depressed. Yul Edochie is buying her slowly. Say Yul Edochie is buying her slowly. Everything is going bad. Nothing is working well for her. Everything does scatter for her life. Yul Edochie don't destroy her. Say, can you imagine Christmas clothes you not buy for children? No Christmas clothes. She was waiting for Yul Edochie to come. They go buy things together as family. But instead, Yul Edochie decided to go and eat in his parents' house, abandoning her with children. Now only Yul Edochie know what I see for Abuja where they run. I dey tell una that time una think say I dey lie. Wetin that man I see for Abuja, I no fit talk. Yul Edochie is running. He's running from Abuja. The man, they run. There is something chasing him from Abuja. Juliet, Juju Ekwensu friend, tell Juju Ekwensu, say, Juju Ekwensu, you have to stand on your feet now. You have to stand on your feet because waiting the year for the industry, she just decided not to tell you a lot of things. A lot is going on. My lovely fans. They say, now so Juju Ekwensu come begin to cry, they give Juliet. Tell Juliet, say, she don't know what to do. How will she get plan B? She for don't run come off for here. She for don't run. She for don't run come off for Yul Edochie house. And they meet her. Things are not going well at all. This man has abandoned her. Yul Edochie is just pretending as if, oh, I will come, but it look like this man will never come back. That is what Juju Ekwensu told her friend. And her friend agreed to it, say, the way Lizzy Gold and Yul Edochie they go, Juju Ekwensu should shine their eye. Make Juju Ekwensu remember, say, now when Lizzy Gold enter the picture, now things change. Lizzy Gold is a snake. That is what Juliet told Juju Ekwensu. That Lizzy Gold is a snake. That woman can be deceitful. Make Juju Ekwensu shine her eyes. Hey, wonder shall never end. Say Juju Ekwensu they cry. Say since when papa and mama born her, he never do this kind of Christmas. But for Yul Edochie to also treat her children like this, Mr. Obasi children, this house, no clothes, nothing. Children wey she say she born for Yul Edochie, all of them did there, nothing for anybody. Nothing. Wonder shall never end, oh my people. They say Juju Ekwensu is in critical condition. They say her BP do high. Now Juliet na they calm her down, say, make she relax. Make she just try. Make she just know say she be single. She should just put it in her mind that she's single. Anytime Yul Edochie come, you take him. The day we not come, you leave her. That is the only solution. Husband snatching is not a day job. Yul Edochie they flex, they go for a papa house. Juju Ekwensu they one corner they cry. Karma is real. Karma is real. Juju Ekwensu. Yul Edochie now go they enjoy for a papa house. Me Edochie they London. Juju Ekwensu they lonely. She's so lonely. She have nobody to call her. Ooh. Husband snatcher is lonely. I never hear her before. Say husband snatcher has become lonely. Aye. No Christmas clothes for our children. No good food, no good hair. Nothing. Old picture wey Juju Ekwensu don take, now e post for there. Go see the belle, look the belle, look the belle. The belle come outside well. Hey. Old picture that she post. Chai. Ekwensu eromasi mami water. Your condition is really critical. Juju Ekwensu friend advised Juju Ekwensu. He said, may remove shame for her. May she stand up. Yul Edochie not be in. You see that Odogu where you overhype this man. That man not belong to that category. Yul Edochie belong to another kind of category of men. Yul Edochie is not that man you wanted to paint him to the world. You've already deceived yourself by believing that Yul Edochie is Odogu. If Yul Edochie is really Odogu, the wife will not let him go. She will fight with everything to claim her husband. If who no road, na person dey show am road. Who no know where native doctor dey for inside bush. If run, if better race come, you must know that native doctor hot for inside bush. But because she know that her husband is not Odogu, is Odiego, she quickly thank you for helping her to carry Odiego. How can a woman leave a man and start glowing and start shining and start living well? That means that man is badded. Need badge. Might be. Juliet say Juju Ekwensu, remove shame for her. Waka your waka. Waka your waka. If you pull eye for Yul Edochie, next year your situation will be worse than this. Juliet say, see Juju Ekwensu now, thought they live for neck. That time they laugh me Edochie, say me Edochie dry like booger fish. You too now, you thought they become that condition. That condition that Yul Edochie put me Edochie to when she was married to him. Me Edochie lean. The woman go dey work, you know, they see money. He go account, he go put, for example, he put 100 naira for account. If you reach account, you call they see 60 naira, see 70 naira. She go they think, they calculate what is wrong. You know, all those stress before she go carry children stress join her. They were laughing at her. They were mocking her. Wonder shall never end. Juliet said, Juju Ekwensu, you are going into the situation of me Edochie now. Wonder shall never end, oh my people. Juju Ekwensu in a critical condition. They say depression don't hold her. Wait till the world go talk. Make the world not laugh. Now she did so. But that laugh, they're already laughing at you. Because there is no way you can escape your evil. This is what you sow. Now you they reap. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? You did it to your fellow woman. Madam, bear it in peace. No need for this your crocodile tears. Bear it in peace. Wonder shall never end. Leave your comment in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.